Humans have always been curious. Curious about its origin, curious about Earth, curious about solar system, and curious about the galaxy we belong. We all know the galaxy we belong is the Milky Way galaxy. So have you ever thought about why our galaxy is known as the Milky Way? Matthew Stanley, a professor of history of science at the Gallatin School of Individualized Study at New York, commented that it's one of those terms that are so old its origin is generally forgotten by now. One legendary explanation comes from a Greek myth about infant Hercules being brought to the goddess Hera, who nursed him while she was asleep. When she woke up and pulled away, her breast milk spilled across the heavens, and the heavens we live here is known as Milky Way. We tried to count the stars the Milky Way galaxy consists of. The European Space Agency's Gaia satellite has mapped the location of 1 billion stars in our galaxy, and its scientists believe that it's just 1% of the total. So perhaps the Milky Way consists about 100 billion stars. And all we know that stars are huge massive objects. For example, a sun weighs about 1.9 into 10 raised to 30 kgs in mass. And you can surely add up the zeros, so astronomers are still unsure exactly how much our galaxy weighs, with estimates ranging from 7 billion to 2 trillion times the mass of our sun. So as we have our own galaxies, there are many galaxies in the universe, ranging from small galaxies to huge galaxies like Milky Way. Always the huge galaxies try to clash and consume the small galaxies, and currently our galaxy is consuming the Canis Major dwarf galaxy by adding the small galaxy stars to its own spiral. Thus, every huge galaxy consumes the small dwarf galaxies around itself. So, do our galaxy going to be here forever? Sadly, the answer is no. A galaxy isn't going to be here forever. Astronomers know that we are currently speeding towards our neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, at around 2500 miles per hour. When the crash comes, in about 4 billion years, most research has suggested that the more massive Andromeda galaxy would surely swallow up our Milky Way galaxy, and we are sure to meet our extinction. So if you have enjoyed this video, please share this video and subscribe our channel. See you soon.